I want to grow pothos and other riparian plants in my fish tank, but how do I keep my aggressive fish from destroying the roots? Growing riparian plants can add a new dimension of beauty and enjoyment to fish keeping. But what if you have a notoriously destructive fish in your tank, like cichlids or even some goldfish? What do? Should you give up on your dream of having a lush riparium? Well, the answer is no. Well, today on Plant Life Project, I'm going to show you step by step how to make a simple riparian planter that will allow you to grow pothos, peace lily, monstera, and many other riparian plants in your fish tank and completely protect those plant roots from aggressive fish. We are going to take a plastic flat gutter downspout extension pipe like this one, which is designed to drain water from a gutter system on a house while being low profile and easy to hide. Begin by measuring the height of your tank from the substrate to the rim and cut the piece to fit inside the back of the tank. Now take this piece and drill holes through it to allow water to flow easily through it, but with holes small enough that the fish can't get through. Be sure to clean off any shavings from the drilling process and set the flat pipe upright in the tank with the bottom resting on the substrate, or even pressed into the substrate about an inch if you have a fish that likes to dig. Now to secure the pipe, use a rubber-coated wire or reusable twist ties like this, and run the wire under the middle support point of the pipe. Now if your pipe does not have this feature, simply drill some holes large enough for the wire on the backside top edge and run it through. Now bend the wire to fit snugly over the rim of the tank. If you have an especially destructive fish and concerned it will still try to push your pipe over, you can silicone the back of the pipe to the glass for added security. The holes drilled in the planter will allow water to flow through, and yes, some of the roots may grow out of these holes and get torn off by the fish, but the vast majority of the root system will be protected, and you can line the entire back of the tank with these planters if you want to grow a lot of different riparian plants with only a minimal amount of space taken up. Well, check out the supply list in the description for everything you need to make this planter, and click the video links to see more videos of DIY riparium planter baskets.